the case study and simply turning failure into success. Thank you and happy watching. First idiom is go back to the drawing board. It means starting again from the beginning after failure. Example, the company went back to the drawing board to make a better strategy. Second idiom is think outside the box. It means thinking creatively and differently. Example, the team tried to think outside the box to attract customers. Third idiom is taxing its bulk. It means reducing spending and saving money. Example, the company had to tax in its bulk during the financial crisis. Fourth idiom is hit the ground running. It means starting something quickly and effectively. Example, the team hit the ground running with the new marketing strategy. Fifth idiom is had success. It means very successful. Example, the new product become a hot success. From this case study, we can learn that failure is not the end. The company can improve and become successful through hard work, creativity, and good strategy. Thank you. I think that's all my explanation about the 5 business idioms from the case study, turning failure into success. Thank you for watching.